Hello, welcome back to IT Learning Nugget course for ADFS. We're still in module 3, and this is the last video. This is around customizing ADFS home realm discovery. Token requests from client do not contain any user home realm information. ADFS responds with the home realm discovery HRD page. The user select their home realm list of options. The list of options populate from claim provider, which is in ADFS configured. The user choose or choice is cached for 60 days using cookies. Okay, this is how it looks like for us. You can see AD Active Directory, and you can see the home realm in AD for multiple domains, and I can customize it using PowerShell. The HRD home page may be modified to support suffix-based discovery. Map UPN suffix to a specific claim provider. Configuration is achieved using PowerShell. Set ADFS provider trust. Target name is the domain name and the organization associated with it. Then set the provider trust. This is how it looks like for us. Okay, so Contoso, and you can see Fabricam ADFS. Okay. This is if you would like to customize the users. Alternately, you can direct the users to certain claim provider for specific related parties, and this is using PowerShell. Set ADFS trust link party, target name, my application, and the claim provider is the target related party provider. I can also customize the home realm to bypass. We can do discovery bypassing for user originating from the intranet. Typically, internet user will authenticate against the local AD, and this is the PowerShell we can configure. Set ADFS internet user local claim provider to true. One note I need to highlight here: if an IDP list for related party has been configured, ADFS will continue to show the HRD, which is home realm discovery page, even when the intranet bypass is configured. Okay, to bypass the HRD, in this case, you have to ensure that Active Directory is also added to the IDP list. Okay, let me just show you this before I forgot. Here, where is the page? I had that page earlier. I just want to make sure we are on the same page. Okay, you can see Active Directory need to be added. If you add that one, then it will bypass it. Okay. Last is removing the HRD customization. If you choose to remove it, these are the command list to remove them. Set ADFS claim provider trust, target domain, org to nil, and then same thing applies to set ADFS party trust, target name, my application claim provider to nil, and the last is if you want to set the local provider to false, which means no local AD. That's all for the home realm. The last part is using, if you would like to configure alternate login ID. This is very popular with cloud. Sometimes organization cannot ensure to users UPN match their email address. Also, SaaS provider require user login ID to fully be intranet routable, like 365 AD. On-premise user principal name cannot be used when UPN are using non-routable domain. Do not match your org ID. That's when I need to use alternate login ID. Now, alternate login ID functionally solve this problem. It's using attribute for user object in AD other than UPN and configure with PowerShell, and you can see the command list to target this alternate ID. Set ADFS claim provider trust, target identifier AD, alternate login ID is a mail, lookup for the my forest, something like this. There you go, my mail and the forest associate with it. Okay, I think that's all what I had for you for today. Let's revise. We were able to customize the page, ADFS sign-in page. We spoke about home realm discovery, and the final part we spoke about alternate login ID. That was the final part of Module 3. Hopefully you have learned something useful around the admin, and I shall see you in the next section, which is using modern authentication. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.